Okay, so here we are on phase 2. It's about a month later on the renovation of the basement. I'll show you some of the things that I have been working on and what I've done since the last time. So here we have my brick walls almost all the way in now. Still need to chop out more of the floor, but that hasn't really been a priority since I've been working on lowering the floor of the main basement part by about foot, so it would be a little bit lower so I wouldn't actually hit the ceiling. I also installed a new window down here so it let in more light and also allow for entrance in and out, because before there was no way to get in and out. And one of the other things I did, I put here what's called a French drain. Right now it looks like just kind of a little drain, but it's actually a 50-gallon drum. So I've dug down the basement all the way down to the bottom of where the 50-gallon drum is. Then I've buried the drum after drilling a whole bunch of holes in it, and then I filled it up with rocks. So it's all gravel and everything in there. So now when the water drains, it'll go down into the 50-gallon drum and then disperse out through all parts underneath there. So it's a good way to let a lot of water get through without flooding the basement, without actually having a main drain to the sewage line or anything like that. So it'll dissipate the water without collapsing anything, but it should be able to hold a lot of gallons. So got almost everything put in for that. Ended up breaking out a bigger hole in the wall than I wanted to, but the more I dug out, the more the wall seemed to fall. So I've got it in an arch shape still, so it still has the support of the roof. And then I'll be, see, I got it all set up for pouring a slab. I've left a gap down here underneath these rocks. It's probably about a 6-inch gap, so it kind of hangs over it. I will be putting the slab underneath that, then building up so that the foundation can rest on top of this main slab that I'm going to put in here. So it'll be a super reinforced slab, so it'll be able to support all that. So I should be pouring that slab in the next couple days, and then once I do that, I can put in supports to put in the roof, then take out the rest of that foundation wall. I'll be leaving this main foundation wall and then removing this other foundation wall so I can put in all the other stuff. But that's where I'm at right now, and we'll see what happens in the future.